Hi, Katrina.
Hello.
Are you painting?
Yes, we're painting.
That's good. Painting with Sarah. Hi, Caitlin.
Hello.
Your painting is looking very nice.
Thank you.
I love your flowers.
Mine?
Did you draw that? Did you paint that
That.
little flower?
Yeah, I did.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Great job.
Now get the interesting painting.
Yeah,
So much life to it.
great job. So you girls happy out here painting, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. That's awesome. Bye-bye then.
Bye-bye.
If you need me, I'll be in the house.